Intindi namin, ang nagplano ay kayo.
I would like
Secretary
to answer.
Anyo, Secretary Gibo Chodoro, at ang pinangalan, ang Chief PNP, General Marbil. Parang apat yung pinangalanan sa isang interview ng ating Secretary ng DILG.
Can I answer that, ma'am?
Yes, please, you're recognized.
The question was, who planned this? I did not state in any way who planned it. The meeting was of executive. I did not.
Yes, please, you're recognized.
The question was, who planned this?
The question was who planned this daw. Oh, kaya nga, di ba?
I did not state in any way who planned it. The meeting was of executive privilege. It is a conversation between the president.
Executive privilege, pero sinabi mo sa media, proud na proud ka pa. Pati yung pag sa charter ng Pilipinas ng eroplano, ikaw din yung nagsabi doon, proud na proud ka din.
The meeting was of executive privilege. It is a conversation between the president and the ones I mentioned. There was.
So what exactly did you say? Ano sinabi po ninyo?
They asked me-
Intindi namin, itong apat na pinangalanan, ang siyang nagplano.
Ma'am, we're already invoking
namin.
executive privilege in this matter.
Yes.
We're invoking executive privilege in this
Yes,
matter.
that's fine,
Executive privilege daw. Oh.
but it's
Yes.
in the interview. And it's
Yes, ma'am.
public.
That's like,
Para executive privilege, isinabas nyo sa interview. Kung may executive privilege dyan, ibig sabihin, hindi alam ni Amy Marcos yan. Circus. Joke. Didepensa pa si bro.
it goes as far as the interview, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'd like
Yun
to
nga! Interview naman yung sinasabi niya!
understand. I think your brother was trying
I
to
did not
explain
state in any
what he
way.
said in the interview, and I'm
They
happy
asked
to
me
hear
if
it.
I planned it. I said it was not me. There were other people in the room. But we did.
Hindi. Sige, babasahin sa'yo mamaya.
Not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Saan ang galing yung mga pangalan na ito?
Ma'am, that again is executive privilege. Ma'am, let me explain, ma'am. Let me explain first, ma'am.
Huli ka na eh. Tumatakas ka pa. Linaw-linaw nung interview mo eh.
Yes, ma'am. Let
eh.
me explain first, ma'am. We were discussing rumors of an impending arrival
Parang
based on.
hindi yung ganun ang dating sa amin.
Hindi nga yun. Napanood ko rin yung interview na yan.
Ang
That
pagkaintindi
is
namin,
the
apat
whole
na
truth,
plano.
ma'am. That is we were discussing rumors. Go ahead, ma'am.
Patugtog na lang natin para maintindihan.
Tama! Matugtog natin. Sayaw ka sa kanta, John Vic.
And who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you and the president.
Who was on top of this? Yung pagpapa-aresto, di ba? O yung pagpaplano. Dahil ayon kay presidente, ikaw at yung presidente. Anong sabi niya?
This. Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you and the president.
Yes.
So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was a group effort, Secretary.
Ikaw ba ang lahat, ang nagplano ng lahat ng ito? Hindi naman, it was a group effort. It was a group effort. Ibig sabihin, nagiging humble ka dyan. Sinasabi mo, hindi lang ikaw yung nagplano. Marami kayo. Huwag kang magsinungaling, parang awa mo na. Humble ka nga dito, napaka-humble mo nga, hindi mo nga sinulo yung credit kinalat mo sa tao
And who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you and the president.
Yes.
So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was a group effort, Secretary Chodoro
Was a group effort.
was there, Secretary Anyong was there too, and the president and I. So, hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira.
stand by that, ma'am.
Last man standing doon sa Malacanang.
I stand by that.
Kasi Secretary Chodoro was working out of his office.
Hindi pa tapos, I stand by that ka na. Kanina, hindi ka nag-stand by that.
Ano po nung sinabi
Yes, ma'am.
ninyo? Wala
Secretary
namang
Anyo,
mapakiyaw-kiyaw
of course,
dun sa
is-
sinabi.
Intelligence,
Yes, ma'am.
Patayin na muna natin. Pakaliwanag naman ang sabi ninyo, hindi ako
Ano pakaliw? Salamat na lang may video. Sinungaling pa more.
mag-isa kahit ako ang kasama ng presidente nung
Yes,
nagsalita
ma'am.
sa press con, hindi ako mag-isa ang nagplano. Isang grupo kami. Tapos pinangalanan mo.
No, ma'am.
Huwag ka na magsinungaling.
Sinabi ninyo eh.
I state, ma'am, again, executive privilege. But, ma'am,
Walang executive.
Executive privilege. Ang pinag-uusapan yung interview mo. Saan ang executive privilege doon? Pareho kayo ng kapatid mo. Puro executive privilege na from now on ulit. Until you will find another word na very convenient to utter para makaiwas sa tanong.
Privilege kasi binunyag na ninyo
I
sa
must
TV.
state it very clear, as I stated very clear, that there was no mastermind.
Wala naman. Anong mastermind na naman yan? Wala naman talaga sinabi mastermind kasi kayo yung nag-usap-usap. Pareho kayo ng pag-iisip ng kuya mo. You are no different from your brother. Sobrang lapit ng klase ng intellectual capacity nyo. At saka yung way of reasoning nyo. Magkapatid nga kayo.
Sa
must
TV?
state it very clear, as I stated very clear, that there was no mastermind. We were discussing mainly about what the president's statements were in Hong Kong, and it was based all on that statement, ma'am.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isang
There was no
grupo.
planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
I said, hindi ako nagplano.
Hindi mo sinabing hindi ikaw ang magplano. Huwag ka na magsinungaling. Sinabi mo hindi lang ikaw ang nagplano. Yun yung sinabi mo. Iba yung hindi ako yung nagplano at hindi yung hindi lang ako ang nagplano. Huwag na tayong magsinungaling. Tagalog pa yan, maintindihan ng mga tao yan.
Isang grupo na nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am, and that is all.
Nagplano kayo sa rumor! Rumor! Halata sa mukha niya na eh, oh. Mistiso nga siya, pulang-pula, oh. Crispy chicharon.
Rumor lang yon.
Yes, ma'am.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Ang tanong niya, kung ikaw
Talking about a rumor, ano paplanuhin niyo tungkol sa rumor? It doesn't make sense.
tapos sabi mo,
There was no
hindi,
planning,
group
ma'am.
effort.
There was no planning, ma'am.
Ano yung
Earlier,
in-effort ng group
ma'am,
kapag hindi
let me
plano?
make
I think that we're intruding into executive privilege already, ma'am. I think that we please
No, I'm
respect
just
our...
asking him to
Ito rin si Boying. Wait to be recognized. Buti nga hindi stricto sa inyo yan eh. Bat-in ka ng bat-in eh.
explain the media.
Yes, ma'am. But it's already a very thin dividing line between what transpires in a room between cabinet members and a media statement. But
Goodness. Nakikipag-argue na nga. Dapat nga na-contempt ito eh. Tapos hindi ka na-recognize. Tapos sumasabat ka eh. Dinadaan mo sa tapang eh. Dinadaan mo sa yabang eh. Hindi ka na-recognize eh. Porke kapatid mo, ganyan-ganyan ka. Porke mag-isa niya dyan, pinagtutulungan nyo eh. Hindi naman kayo makalusot-lusot.
there's a very thin dividing line, ma'am.
Understood.
I hope that we can respect executive privilege.
Understood, and the Senate and the Secretary Chodoro is fully aware. Every time there's a need to recess to executive session, I'm happy to do so, and I will do so when necessary. Pero ngayon, sinabi kasi sa TV, paliwanag naman ninyo sa atin kung ano ibig sabihin. Kasi ang sinabi, hindi ako mag-isa na nagplano, may grupo kami.
They asked me if I had planned it. Sabi ko, I did not plan it. I said we were there and not...
Sinungaling. Hindi mo sinabing I did not plan it.
to skirt, ma'am, executive privilege. It was mainly because of the statements of the former president in Hong Kong that he said, in his words, ma'am, in Hong Kong, that, I think you have a clip, he said that, ang reading ko ay may ICC warrant of arrest na. That was the best of my recollection, ma'am.
So anong pinag-group effortan?
Best of my recollection. Tignan yung sinabi niya talaga ha. Sinungaling eh. Ha? Tignan natin kung I did not plan it ha.
And who was really on top of this? Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you and the president.
Yes.
So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was a group effort, Secretary.
Kayo ho ba? Because during the press conference of the president, it was you and the president.
Yes.
So ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman, hindi naman. It was a group effort.
It was a group effort. Yung pagpaplano. Sinabi mo ba na hindi ka kasali? Hindi, sabi mo group.
Secretary Chidoro was there, Secretary Anyong was there too, and the president and I. So hindi naman ako. Ako lang ang natira.
Kasali ka doon. And the president and I. Hindi naman. Tapos binanggit mo yung mga nagplano sa group effort. Kasama ka sa binanggit mo. Ba't mo sinasabi ngayon na hindi ka kasali?
Kung pinag-group effortan, anong
To discuss
diniscuss
the rumor,
ng
ma'am.
grupo na
But again,
pinangalanan nyo?
ma'am, as far as I will invoke in executive
Group effort daw yung i-discuss yung rumor. Mag-discuss ng chismis. Kailangan pa ng group effort. Tapos dun sa group effort na yon, yung mga matataas pa na mga opisyalis sa Pilipinas. Ganyan naka-importante yung chismis ngayon pagplanuhan. Niloloko nyo mga sarili nyo, tsaka mga tao.
privilege, there was no, you cannot plan on a rumor, ma'am.
Kaya nagtataka
So,
ako,
again,
bakit
Siya nga yung nagsabi sa inyo na you cannot plano na rumor eh. Ikaw nga yung nagsabi na nagplano kayo tungkol sa rumor eh.
group effort, chismis lang naman yun.
Chismis nga. Ayun
Yun na nga,
yun.
kung chismis, bakit mag-group effort pa? Tapos pinangalanan mo
Manghuli ka ni.
pa lahat na
Maraming
nag-group
marites
effort.
naman doon to, ma'am. It was,
Labis naman yung marites, dami-daming
it
marites
was a
sa amin.
discussion of a rumor based on the statement of the president.
Discussion of a rumor. Plan yung pinag-uusapan ngayon. Lusot ka na sa tingin mo. Hindi sa batas natin. Pasensya ka na.
In Hong Kong.
Nakakatuwa lang dahil chismis lang pala eh. Bakit sesentensyahan yung tao sa base ng chismis?
It was a discussion of a rumor based on the statement of the president in Hong Kong.
So you deny that you're part and parcel of the planning and that the other persons you named, hindi rin sila kasali dun sa pagpaplano?
Again, ma'am, we were discussing the statement of the former president while he was in Hong Kong that he said that he said, in his words, ang reading ko ay may warrant of arrest na ako. So that was the only basis of the conversation, ma'am.
So ito yung group effort ninyo.
Yes, ma'am.
Pinagtulong-tulungan ninyo
Yung
yung
chismis.
isang bahagyang chismis.
It was, ma'am, all of that is, again, the statement of the former president, not ours.
Ulit-ulit ka lang eh. You don't make sense kasi kayo inuulit-ulit
Titipon-tipon
niya.
pa yung mga sekretary ng kabinete. Nakakatuwa naman.
Call it what you may, ma'am.
Walang magawa. Opo, anyway, nabanggit
Totoo, walang magawa.